radio control. As with the DJI FPV, these are rather the radio controls because the Avata is compatible with the two controllers of the DJI FPV, the DJI FPV Remote Controller 2 and the DJI Motion Controller, also called Motion Controller. The Avata I tested came with the DJI Motion Controller, but I was able to use the DJI FPV 2 Remote Controller that I use with the DJI FPV without any issues. The good point, you can switch from one remote control to another without having to repair them. They are immediately taken care of. If you use this remote control with the DJI FPV, then an Avata and vice versa, on the other hand, you must repair them each time you change the device. Getting started, Avata and Goggles 2 must be activated with an account with the DJI FPV via the DJI Fly app on smartphone or DJI Assistant 2 consumer drone series software. Best practice is to power on the remote or motion controller, the asset, and then the Avata. At last, when switched on, the drone produces a small discrete noise unrelated to the monumental and ultimately annoying groaaaarrr of the DJI FPV. The pairing is automatic, but if for one reason or another you have to do it again, all you need to do with the devices on is a long press on the on and off button of the radio controls on the battery button of the drone. No more need for a fine tip for the helmet. There's a pairing button on the goggles too, inside just below the face sensor. It only takes a few seconds for the three components to be connected.